Welcome back children. I am your Murali Manohar sir from Vishwamanava Samskrutika ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ. Mathematics class for 4th standard. Children, in the previous class we learned about perimeter from the topic perimeter and area of simple geometrical figures. In this class we will continue that chapter and learn about area. Children, now we will solve a sum related to perimeter. Observe the given figure. If its perimeter is 24 cm, then what is the length of the fourth side? See this picture, children. Which picture is this? Yes, it is rectangle. It has four sides. Opposite sides are equal. Its perimeter is 24 cm. Perimeter means sum of four sides. They have given the length of three sides. We have to find out the length of the fourth side. Before finding the fourth side, we should know sum of three sides. They are PQ equals to 10 cm, RS equals to 10 cm and PR equals to 2 cm. To find the length of the fourth side, we should add the three sides and subtract it by the perimeter. The sum of three sides is equals to 10 cm plus 10 cm plus 2 cm is equals to 22 cm. Therefore, the length of the three sides is 22 cm. Now we should find out the length of the fourth side. The perimeter is equals to 24 cm. Now we should subtract sum of three sides from its perimeter. Length of fourth sides is equals to perimeter minus sum of three sides. Perimeter is 24 cm and sum of three sides is equals to 22 cm. 24 cm minus 22 cm is equals to 2 cm. Length of the fourth side is equals to 2 cm. Now we will learn about area. In the above shape, observe the surface of table, blackboard and the book. Among these, which is the biggest and which is the smallest shape? On that basis, would you decide? Let us see it. The second shape, blackboard, is the biggest one, and the third shape, surface of books, is the smallest. What is the reason for your answer? Second shape occupied more space and the third one occupied less space. What do you call the space or the region bounded by a shape? This is called the area of the shape. The space or the region bounded by a given closed figure is called its area. Area means the surface of a simple closed region. The units of area are the square of the units of length. In general, area is expressed in square unit. They are centimeter multiplied by centimeter equals to square centimeters. Meter multiplied meter equals to square meters. Kilometer multiplied kilometer equals to kilometer square kilometers. There are two methods to find area. They are by dividing a region into unit square and thereafter counting the unit square and by using formula. Observe the two figures drawn on graph sheet. Which one is bigger? How to find it out? By how many squares is the first figure bound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Already you know that the area of a shape is obtained by multiplying its length and breadth. In the above figures, what is the length of the first figure? That means what is the measurement of AB? AB is 3 cm. What is the measurement of breadth? BC? BC is 3 cm. By using the measurement of these two sides, Find the area of first figure. Area of first figure is equal to 3 centimeter multiplied by equals to 3 centimeter equals to 9 square centimeter. Now we will go to second one. By how many square is the second figure bound? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is bounded by 8 squares. In the above figures, what is the length of the second figure? That means, what is the measurement of KL? KL equal to 4 centimeter. What is the measurement of breadth of the figure? That means, what is the measurement of LM? LM is 2 centimeter. By using the measurement of these two sides, find the area of two second figures. Area of second figure is 4 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter is equals to 8 square centimeter. The first figure has occupied more space than the second one. So the first figure is bigger than the second figure. Now we will solve the textbook exercise. On the graph sheet given, the area of each square is 1 square centimeter. Find the area of the given shapes. In the first one, we have this shape. It is look like a plus. Each square equals to 1 square centimeter. Now we will count the number of squares in the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this figure, there are totally 5 squares. So the area of the given shape is 5 square centimeter. Now we will solve this. How does it look? Yes, it's look like a T. Each square is equals to 1 square centimeter. Now we will count the number of squares in the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. In this figure, there are totally 16 squares. So, the area of the given shape is 16 square centimeter. Now, we will find out the area of rectangle. You know the formula. The formula is area of rectangle equal to L into B, where L means length, B means breadth. Its length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. Now we should find the area. To find the area, we should multiply length by breadth. It is 10 multiplied by 8 is equals to 8 square centimeter, which means the area of a rectangle is 80 square centimeter. Now we will find out the area of square. What is the formula to find the area of the square? It is side into side. In a square, the 4 sides are equal. The length of the side of this square is 15 meters. By multiplying the side by side is 15 multiplied by 15 is equals to 225 square meter, which means that area of square is 225 square meter. Do this homework, children. First main, observe the given shapes. Draw these shapes on a graph sheet and try to find the area. Second main, measure your mathematics textbook. Write in which shape it is and find out its area. Thank you, children.